So the idea for here, one of the things is people get stressed out. I mean, we all been taught not to pay extra, right? Normally we're always trying to get a deal, but sometimes you have to pay more. It's the price of making money.
Yeah.
Right? If you have $100, right? And you go and you buy yourself a purse, right? That's it. You just got that one purse. You're looking good. But now if you can, put a little bit and now you can have 10 purses, maybe make payments on all of them. Now you have 10 purses and you're looking good every day. So kind of like houses is the same thing, is don't put all your money in one. You want to leverage your money to be able to get the most. Now, some lenders, and we're going to touch on lenders and stuff, but if you can go A paper, which is like the bank loans, you're going to get the lowest rate, but you're going to have to come in with more money. You need to show income. You need to show reserves. You have a lot of loopholes to go through. And sometimes you're on a time frame. So if you go hard money has different types of loan. They have rental loans, which the interest rates are a lot lower. Then they have flip loans. So on the flip loans, now you also have two types of hard money. You got one that's going off experience, which going forward, if you don't have experience, I can give you experience. Once you learn more about the trusts, you'll see that you can have more experience, and all that does is bring your interest rate down.
Okay.
Right? So this is part of the program. You're going to cut on that. But like I put Laverne and Kogo. Kogo's not the cheapest. They start at 12%. Their interest rate. They go 15, 16, right? And you're like, oh my God, this is to fix it only. But now she might be paying 15, 12, maybe even 18. I don't know, right? She put zero money down.